Yeah, Louie, good job. Georgie, he goes in too. He's not afraid.
Oh, that must be the crack that we heard last night.
Oh, yeah, right. Yeah.
I'm actually psyched. I took out all those phone and cable wires that I don't think they're even in use anymore.
It's like he's swimming. Honey. Yeah. Is that fun? Not too far. Good girl, honey.
Good girl.
He's gonna potty. He wants to get to his potty space.
Yeah. He's gonna go, buddy. Go ahead, George. Go ahead. I'm not shoveling over to your tree.
That's what LB wants to. Look at him. He wants to pee right there.